Hey guys, so making a quick video on how to replace your locking block for your Berretta 1951. First, check it's empty, nothing in the gun, no magazine. So now we know it's empty, can go rack back the slide, then rotate your disassembly lever once it's lined up with that disassembly notch. So now you're gonna push your slide forward, then you have your slide and frame. Put your frame away, take your slide, move the recoil spring, and now set that recoil spring aside. So now you're gonna have your barrel and your locking block and along with your slide. So one thing is, if your locking block is broken, it might be hard to disassemble since there'll be more friction in there. So you just gotta sort of work it out. See, it's pretty hard to get out. That's just since the locking block on this gun is cracked. All right, so here you can sort of push it out. You can use a mallet if it really doesn't want to come out. So here you can see there's a crack there, and there's a very, very slight crack there. All right, so we know this locking block is toast because of those two cracks. So it can be caused by ammo that's too hot for the gun, or just locking block getting worn out over time. So how we're going to replace it is we can take a flathead screwdriver. This has to be pretty small for that screw right there. So this is just a retaining screw for that locking block. So once you get that out, now we take our new locking block. I believe you can get these from DK Firearms and What a Country right now. Also, when you order them, you want to make sure you have the same style of locking block. So I have the old style where it has a cut here, and the new style you'll have a cut up here. So difference between those two is the new style, you won't be able to use the same recoil spring as the old style. So unless you're getting a replacement recoil spring, you have to get the correct locking block. And that's not due to the spring itself, due to the guide rod. All right, so now you take your new locking block, slide that in there, then should line up. Then you just take your flathead, screw this down until it's flush. Make sure your locking block still moves freely. All right, so now this works. We're gonna reassemble our gun. Should work properly, or should go together pretty easily. And just to check, you can make sure your barrel comes in and out easily, unlike with the cracked locking block. All right, so got the recoil spring and barrel locking block in place. So I'm going to reassemble this, rotate that into place, check it, cycles properly, then alright, so everything's working properly. So now it's ready to go to the range. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped you. Check out my other videos if you like. I'll see you guys next time.